Get last n lines of a file, similar to tail. I'm writing a log file viewer for a web application, and for that I want to paginate through the lines of the log file. The items in the file are line-based with the newest item at the bottom. So I need a tail method that can read n lines from the bottom and support an offset. This is what I came up with. Is this a reasonable approach? What is the recommended way to tail log files with offsets?
Assumes a Unix-like system on Python 2 you can do. For Python 3 you may do.
This may be quicker than yours. Makes no assumptions about line length. Backs through the file one block at a time till it's found the right number of \n characters. I don't like tricky assumptions about line length when, as a practical matter, you can never know things like that. Generally, this will locate the last 20 lines on the first or second pass through the loop. If your 74 character thing is actually accurate, you make the block size 2048 and you'll tail 20 lines almost immediately. Also, I don't burn a lot of brain calories trying to finesse alignment with physical OS blocks. Using these high-level IO packages, I doubt you'll see any performance consequence of trying to align on OS block boundaries. If you use lower-level IO, then you might see a speed-up. Update. For Python 3.2 and up, follow the process on bytes as in text files. Those opened without 8b in the mode string, only seeks relative to the beginning of the file are allowed, the exception being seeking to the very file end with seek 0, 2, or dot. E.g., f equals open, c column ... apache _logs.txt, rb.
If reading the whole file is acceptable, then use a deck. Prior to 2.6, decks didn't have a max-len option, but it's easy enough to implement. If it's a requirement to read the file from the end, then use a gallop, aka exponential, search.
s.locks answer above almost works for me but ends up giving me partial lines. It turns out that it corrupts data on block boundaries because data holds the read blocks in reversed order. When .join data is called, the blocks are in the wrong order. This fixes that.